Go like this. Hey, no viewers. Okay, Yoruba Pikin. Material. Sorry, everyone.
Hi.
Yeah, sorry.
Welcome back. It's okay.
Thank
It's
you.
okay. Kilo day.
So we want to see the kids. I'm sure everybody is excited to see them. Ejire Oyila. Ejire. Báwo ni? Ẹ káalẹ́ o. Báwo ni gbogbo ẹ o? Ṣé gbogbo ẹ ń ṣe dáadáa? Ṣàlàáfíà lẹ́wà. Ó yá yọwọ́ lẹ́nu kó bá mi sọ̀rọ̀. Ṣàlàáfíà lẹ́wà. Kí lorúkọ ẹ?
James Gonna come
Kí
here.
lorúkọ ẹ?
Adam. Kí lorúkọ ẹ?
Adam. Èkejì. Èkejì ẹ̀ ń kọ́?
Gbọ́ wọn lékejì rẹ̀ ń kọ́.
Òun kọ́ lọ pé wà.
Gbọ́ wà lọ sí. Wà lọ sí Camille. Má kọ́ gbọ́dọ̀ mi. Well, you see, if they stay longer here, they will.
Let me see Yacoob. Carry Yacoob. Yacoob, báwo ni? Káalẹ́ o.
Sọ̀rọ̀.
Káalẹ́ o. Oh, wo mi ni, wo mi, wo Nigeria, wo.
Wo Indomie.
Wo Nigeria, wo ọjà.
Wow. Ṣé o ti rí? Ṣé o fẹ́ lọ síbẹ̀?
Ṣé o fẹ́ wá?
Ta ló wà ńbẹ̀? Mi gbọ́? Grandma wà ńbẹ̀.
Ṣé o fẹ́ wá?
O fẹ́ rí grandma? Grandma ò sí bí fídíò. Má rí grandma nísìnyí, grandma ò sí bí. O ò lè rí grandma nísìnyí, grandma ò sí bí fídíò.
O fẹ́ rí grandma, má worry, wà rí grandma very soon. Where is Camille now?
Mo ń bọ̀, grandma ń bọ̀.
Where is Camille?
Okay, o ṣe gan ni. Pizza, o ṣe o. O yá máa lọ. Yacoob, ẹ máa lọ. Well, thank you so much.
Yes, thank you so much too.
There's one thing I wanted to add.
Okay, sir.
You know, like I was saying, in every relationship, whether it doesn't really matter, irrespective of the ethnicity where your spouse is from.
Yeah.
As a man, we should always learn how to sit at the back seat. This is really, really important. We should put our ego aside. We should learn how to sit at the back seat. Because when there are some decisions that you can't make them right. These are for your wife to make. Don't drag it with them. I mean, this is the way God has planned it. So as a man, we should always try to learn how to sit at the back seat, at least for some times. That's my advice for us.
Thank you so much, Mrs. Natalia. We want your advice on a subject that is relating to the female gender alone. You're doing a lot of things. You said you're a serial entrepreneur. You even came to Nigeria for businesses, right? So that means you're doing a lot, and you're keeping 4 men. I don't know how you're doing it. 4 gangs. Yes. in your house. How do you do this? How do you juggle life? And what's your advice for mothers out there?
In the beginning, when I had 3 kids, they were young, I thought it's really impossible for a mother to be a businesswoman, so to have this responsibility. So I was then working for someone. I was an employee. But then I realized that the kids, if you plan your time very well, they can actually be a source of your energy that can then be can be like a backbone for the business. So, for example, Yes, Camille is bringing pizza.
So, for
example, during the lockdown, we were with the kids. Yeah, so this is what I had at home during the lockdown. So sometimes, so first of all, what we did is that I created the same routine as the kids had at the daycare, so they feel that there are not that many changes and they don't feel uncertain. Then we still went out once a day. It's Finland, so we didn't really have a real lockdown. Yeah. So then they could, run, and then because they're very energetic, so they slept well. I sometimes had to wake up at 5 a.m., 4 a.m. to work. Wow. I was working when they were sleeping. During the day, for example, I cooked sometimes for 2 days. When my husband was cooking, he's been very supportive as well. And people always ask me this question: how come you are on the road to the success and you are doing so well with 3 kids? And I always say that it's always because of the husband, that if the woman wants to be successful in life, then she has to choose a right husband, and he is the key to my success.
The same thing with men also.
This is what I always say.
Wow.
Yeah, the same thing with men also.
Wow. But that was ní Yorùbá. A fẹ́ kẹ́ bá wa sọ fún àwọn ọkùnrin. Ṣákí, ìlú tí a ti dàgbà ní, tí ẹ̀yin ti dàgbà, tí àwa náà dẹ̀ tí èmi náà dẹ̀ ti dàgbà. Mo rí pé a lot of improvements kò tí wà fún àwọn ọkùnrin wa. They still feel that ego is still very much there. The kind of thing you're doing for your family, it's rare, and it's still very much rare in our society today. Despite the education, the exposure, everything, it's still they still expect the woman to do everything, talk to the kids, do the chores, not sign of help. You understand? They still expect you to run your business actually. So mo fẹ́ kẹ́ bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀ ní Yorùbá, ẹ mọ̀ tá gbọ́ síra wa pé nǹkan tẹ́ bí advice náà níbọ̀ kó jẹ́ ní Yorùbá.
Okay. So well, I'll translate to you. Nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ náà ni wípé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn ọkùnrin wa bóyá torí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ilé tí a ti jáde. Irú èmi nísìnyí ilé oníyàwó púpọ̀ ni mo ti jáde. So tí wọ́n bá bíyàn kéèyàn túnra èèyàn bí, it's very very important. Tó bá jẹ́ pé mo bá fẹ́ máa fi gbé ìgbésí ayé mi lórí pé ibi tí mo ti jáde, in fact bóyá tí n bá níyàwó kan láàárọ̀ tó bá di lálẹ́ á lọ. You understand? But gẹ́gẹ́ bí nǹkan tí mo sọ lẹ́ẹ̀kan, ìgbà tí mo débí mo mú nínú ìwà tí mo kọ́ láti lélẹ̀ tó jẹ́ ìwà dáadáa tí àwọn ọkùnrin ń wù. Ìyẹn ni pé ọkùnrin ní olórí ẹbí òun ló ń tọ́jú ilé. You have to always look out for your family. Oúnjẹ ni, ẹ fẹ́ raṣọ ni, ẹ fẹ́ ṣe gbogbo nǹkan. Mo mọ̀ pé ọkùnrin ló máa ń take care yẹn. You understand? And then mo mọ̀ yí pé àwọn ìyá àwọn náà máa ń dáná oúnjẹ. Àwọn náà máa múra fọ́mọ tó bá fẹ́ lọ sílé ẹ̀kọ́ láàárọ̀. Àbí? And then àwọn náà máa fún bàbá ní kóríyá, inspiration, support.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
So mo wá pa méjèèjì yẹn papọ̀ ni mo fi ń lo ìgbésí ayé mi bí. Kò dín mi kù gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọmọkùnrin tí n bá báyàwó mi fọ abọ́ nílé ìdáná. You understand? Bí mo ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí lálálẹ́ for the past 2 weeks, ìgbà tí mo rí pé ìyàwó mi iṣẹ́ gbomi ní alálẹ́, èmi ni mò ń wẹ àwọn ọmọ mi. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ẹ̀kọ́ la lè rí kọ́ láti bí. Àkọ́kọ́, wíwẹ̀ tí mò ń wẹ̀ wọ́n, mo fi ń kọ́ wọn ní èdè sí. Ẹ̀kejì, àsopọ̀ tó wà láàrin èmi àti wọn ó fi ń gbèrú sí.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Tí mo bá wá sọ pé torí pé ọkùnrin ni mí kí n má wá wẹ àwọn ọmọ mi, ṣé ìyàwó mi nìkan ló bí wọn? Nǹkan tó ṣe dàbí ẹni pé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn ọmọ tó bá dàgbà lóde òní tọ́wọ̀n ṣe tọ́jú bàbá wọn nìyẹn. In fact, àwa yìí ká sọ pé bóyá a kàn lẹ́mìí Ọlọ́run ni a ní ẹ̀mí Ọlọ́run kò ń ṣe pé gbogbo òbí I mean bàbá mi tọ́jú mi o mo fẹ́ generalize ẹ̀ ni pé àwọn tó wá láti irú ìgbà táwa wá yìí wọ́n ní ẹ̀mí Ọlọ́run ní ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ fi ń ṣe fún àwọn bàbá wọn. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni. Tí kò bá jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ wọn ò ní ṣe nǹkan kan. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni. Eléyìí dẹ̀ ń wáyé nítorí pé àwọn bàbá ti wò pé tóun bá ti fowó ọ̀bẹ lẹ́ńlé tó ti kọ́lé ẹ̀tọ́ òun lórí ẹbí òun ó ti tán nìyẹn. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni. Kò dẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni. Kò rí bẹ́ẹ̀. Níbí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ nǹkan míì tá a bá ń ṣe tí bílé wa ṣe wà yìí nsìn yìí anything tó ní ṣe pẹ̀lú ohun tó yẹ kí àwọn ọkùnrin Nàìjà ń ṣe èmi ni mò ń ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀. And my wife will be here to support me about that, you know, to back me up. So ọmọ máa jẹun ni owó ilé ni ilé tá à ń gbé ni gbogbo orúkọ báyìí èmi ni mo wà ní ìjáàjì iṣẹ́ mi nìyẹn gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọkùnrin. Mi ò torí pé bóyá mo fẹ́ òyìnbó kí n wá sọ wípé wá da àṣà yẹn nù. Share the bills and all that. Exactly. Kò sí ogun pé à ń share bill. No. Responsibility mi ni. You understand? I need to be able to teach my children to grow up to be a good man, to be able to support their family as well. Káwọn náà lè dúró ti ẹbí wọn. So gbogbo àwọn nǹkan bí tó tún wá jẹ jáde látara gbogbo yá nǹkan tó ẹ fáwọn òbí tiwa náà máa ń ṣe nílé èmi tún mú yẹn mo tún fi kún ojúṣe mi. Tó tún jẹ́ iṣẹ́ obìnrin nílé. Tó tún jẹ́ iṣẹ́ obìnrin mo tún fi kún ojúṣe tèmi nítorí pé kí ni tíyàwó ń bá ní àǹfààní láti ṣe nú àwọn ojúṣe tèmi náà ó máa ṣe láìsí wàhálà kankan. So ṣé tí o bá ń wẹ ọmọ ẹ nísìn gẹ́gẹ́ bí bàbá ṣọmọ ọlọ́mọ ló ń wẹ̀ ni ó ṣọmọ ọlọ́mọ náà ọmọ ẹ ló ń wẹ̀. So kí ni wá ní ìjákulẹ̀ tó ń mú wá àbí kí ni ìdójútì tó ń mú wá pé torí pé bóyá òun wẹ ọmọ o ìyẹn ti wá sọ pé ìyàwó ẹ ti gba sòkò tó ń di ẹ nìyí ó ti fún ẹ ń tòbi. Ben. Ìgbà tí exactly when my mom came here, you know, I'll say this in English and I will say it in Yoruba also for our people to understand. I mean, people from the grassroots, you know, and people that doesn't speak English to understand as well. Yeah. I will say it in English first. When my mom came here and she saw me washing plates in the kitchen, you know, or bathing the kids, or doing those things that she believed that they are it's feminine. Exactly, that is feminine. She was very, very sad. You know, yeah, wait, I'm coming there, just wait. She was very, very sad. In her mind, you know, the reason why she was sad was not because she saw me doing feminine chores at home, but because she missed those moments. Yes. You know, she wanted something like that for herself also. So it's not like our mom, it's not like they don't want that kind of life also. It's not like they don't want to be pampered. Wow. But they were deprived of it. You know? So it doesn't really matter whether you're African or you're Hausa or Igbo. Women are wired the same way. Every woman wants to be pampered. Do it anyhow you want to do it. So she felt really, really bad for herself. And she told me how I wish I enjoyed something like this. She's looking so beautiful. Thank you. So, and she told me how I wish I enjoyed something like this. Wow. You know, she didn't say that, like your wife has turned you to the which is typical. I'm surprised. Which is very typical of an average mother-in-law. Yeah, she didn't say that. No, she saw the positive aspect of it. Yeah. You know, so when our parents are enlightened, when they are exposed, you know, they make the right choices also in terms of their emotion. You know, in terms of everything. You're right. So she was just like. Speak Yoruba. So now let me speak Yoruba.
Ben.
He was a mandala. Ìgbà tí mọ́ mi wá síbí tán rí bí mo ṣe ń ṣe tí mò ń fọ abọ́ tí àwọn mi ò bá lè fọ abọ́ màá fọ tí ò bá lè wẹ̀ àwọn ọmọ màá wẹ̀ wọ́n so tí ó bá dàsìkò tó yẹ kán lọ màá lọ gbé wọn sùn. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Ó pàpọ̀ nínú jẹ́ ó yẹ kó bóyá wọn ò ní nǹkan tí mò ń ṣe pé báwo ni ò bá ṣe jẹ́ kó jẹ́ pé mi ni mo wà ní ipò tíyàwó rẹ̀ wà tí ọkọ wa ń ṣe báyìí fún mi. Nǹkan tí àwọn òbí wa ò mọ̀ ni wípé bí wọ́n ṣe ń bá àwọn obìnrin lò àwọn ọmọ wọn nìyẹn pé bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni káwọn náà ṣe máa ṣe lọ́jọ́ ọ̀la.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Ọkùnrin tí ò bá ṣe dáadáa nílé kò lè tọ́ ọmọkọ́mọ náà yàn.
Òdodo.
So ẹni tó bá fẹ́ bí ọmọ tó fẹ́ tọ́ ọmọ yẹn tó fẹ́ tọ́ yàn ó máa tọ́jú ìyá tó bí ọmọ yẹn. Wàá jẹ́ kí ọmọ rẹ rí ipa bàbá lára rẹ sí ìyá ẹ̀. Tóun náà bá wá dàgbà á lè kọ́gbọ́n nínú ìwà téèyàn ń hù yẹn. Ọkùnrin lọ sọ́jà lọ ra kínní a gbé ẹ̀sìn lórí but a ṣe nǹkan tó wà nú ẹ̀sìn nǹkan tẹ́sìn ní ká ṣe a ṣe. Àwọn òyìnbó lèmi wò pé wọ́n ń ṣe nǹkan tẹ́sìn kọ́ wa gangan kéèyàn kó tọ́jú ìyàwó ẹ̀ kó o dúró tì. Exactly kó o dúró tì tíyàwó ẹ̀ ò bá lè lọ sọ́jà lọ bá ara nǹkan lọ́jà náà ìyẹn ò sọ pé bóyá ẹrú ni ẹ́. So advice mi fún àwọn ọkùnrin nìyẹn we should learn how to be flexible. It's the most important thing. Learn how to be flexible.
That's great. Ẹ ṣé gan fún èní. Ẹ ṣé pé a pè yín ẹ̀dẹ̀jẹ̀ wa. Mrs. Natalia, thank you so much for doing this for us.
Thank you. It was a
appreciate you people a lot, and we love the children. They are great. They are amazing, and I think they're intelligent because it takes intelligence for a child to grasp everything. I don't think every child is capable of doing things. And thank you for making impact. Thank you for everything you're doing for the whole Yoruba race. You're doing this, Mrs. Natalia, not for Polish. You're doing it for Yoruba race. You're doing
I do it for Polish as well. I mean, of course. But I wanted to thank you for representing Shaki. You know, my husband is always so proud to come from Shaki, and then definitely when we come, maybe we have to throw a party or something.
No problem.
Yeah, we have to. Yes. So expect us next year or the ending of this year.
All right, we'll be expecting you people. And I must tell you, we have new places in Shaki that you want to visit.
Yeah.
So
of course, I'll
take you around.
Yes,
please. Thank you so much. And thank you so much, everyone, for watching.
Yes, thank you for watching.
Let me say a chant about Shaki before we leave.
All right, thank you.
Shaki ni wa ọmọ Ògún Ọ̀rọ̀kin. Àgbẹ̀dẹ ọ̀rọ̀ bàtà ọmọ òkè sùúrù ní wàsá bàrí àlejò àjèjì kì í bá wa ràsá bàrí tẹrú tọmọ ní bá wa rológun.
Okay, let me say something about that. Mrs. Natalia, you just said we have a mountain in Shaki. I don't know if you've heard about the story before.
Yes.
So this particular mountain, Camel can climb, Yacoob can climb, Adam can climb, but you can't climb. Because Ajojio Kimbawara Shabari means that a alien cannot climb the mountain. So I hope one day they will climb and they will snap you from the top of the mountain when you come.
Thank you so much.
You can continue, sir.
Thank you so much. So we'll say more about that when next we have something like this.
Mrs. Natalia, thank you so much. Daddy Waishego, thank you so much.
Let me say a very big shout out to all my second family that joined us today. I want to thank you all. Toastbag, Omotola Garnet, Mojisola Lasse, Omojuwan, Real Yeti Mama, the entire, I'm really sorry if I don't mention your name, the entire Agbainaki Republicans. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much.
Thank you
I don't
so
know if
much,
Lady Comfort join us also. Nusira Oladosu.
Yeah.
All of you, thank you so much for joining us. Queen Biba,
yes.
TV, K_Dija, Ridwan, thank you. Queen Haula, really Mama. You know, I can continue to count the names. Thanks for showing us real love. We appreciate you too. Eshegoni. Everybody say big. If you are here, say big.
Big.
Thank you so
much. My
much.
fiance was also part of us. Thank you so much, Afis Bello.
Wow, that's good. Wow, thank you so much. And I hope a lot of people also join from Shaki also.
Yeah, this is Shaki Finest. Eshego. Ojumi Oshodu Shaki Finest. So, Eshimu suspense, yeah. Emi Osho Shaki Finest.
No problem. Thank you, Shaki Finest, for having us. Thank you, our host. We really appreciate this. Let's do more of this so that we can create more awareness, you know, about our culture, tradition, and language.
Definitely going to
empower
talk
more
about
people
that.
out there.
A lot
Thank
of
you so
ideas
much.
have been running through my head, and I'm going to contact you.
Thank you
So much, sir. Thank you so much.
Odabo.
Odaro, yes. It's an evening. Yeah.
Thank you. Bye.